Welcome back to the Dr. Jonette channel. Today we are making fresh blueberry scones. They're delicious for breakfast, lunch, or as an afternoon snack with a cup of coffee or tea. So let's get baking. For today's neuronutrition nugget, I'm talking about blueberries. I call them brain berries because they're so good for your brain. They're also good for your heart. So what can blueberries do for you? Blueberries may help you get rid of brain fog. They help you think better. How do they do that? They're loaded with antioxidants, including anthocyanins. Anthocyanins are a group of antioxidants that are in the polyphenol group, and the polyphenols are important for improving blood flow to our brain. We now know that if we have adequate blood flow to our brain, our learning, our memory centers are much healthier and much less likely to decline or shrink with age. In fact, there's been some studies that have shown that by increasing the blood flow to the brain, we actually can reverse some of the changes that happen in our memory and learning centers of our brain. So incorporating some blueberries into your diet on a daily basis is a great way to improve your memory and also get rid of some of that brain fog. In addition to that, we now know that by improving blood flow to our brain, quite often blood flow to our heart is also improved. Blueberries improve blood flow to your heart, and in a study that was done that looked at people who ate blueberries on a daily basis, what they saw not only was improvement in brain function, memory, reaction times, but also a decrease in blood pressure, hypertension. It improved their hypertension. So now that you know what some of the benefits are of incorporating blueberries in your diet, consider adding blueberries to your cereal, putting it in some fresh blueberry scones, or just enjoying a handful of fresh, delicious blueberries as a snack. Thank you for watching. There you have it, some delicious, homemade, fresh, out of the oven blueberry scones. Thank you for watching, for signing up for notifications, because all of this helps me grow my channel and continue to bring you so much more great information about how you can keep your brain and your body healthy. Also, go to my website at growwithdrjonette.com and you can learn the difference between health span and lifespan. There's an important difference, and we all want to have a long health span, but it may not be to our advantage to have a long lifespan. So go to my website and you can find out why that is. See you next time on the Dr. Jonette channel, and thank you again for watching.